everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to access and set up Cloudflare Zero Trust step by step. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and click on the Zero Trust icon in the sidebar. You'll be guided to create a team name, which becomes your team domain. Next, select a plan. Cloudflare offers a free plan for up to 50 users, perfect for small teams. Once your setup is complete, go to Settings arrow Authentication and choose how users will log in. You can use a one-time PIN or connect third-party identity providers like Google Workspace or Azure AD. Then, organize your team by creating access groups to control permissions and manage who gets access to what. Finally, go to Access Arrow Applications and link your apps to those groups to secure them properly. And that's it. You've successfully set up Cloudflare Zero Trust to protect your network and data. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech guides.